Hello student, welcome in a Sahaj Shikshan YouTube channel. So student, today we are going to take 8th standard subject is a history and civics. In that chapter first, sources of a history. So we are going to take the complete exercise of this chapter. So let's start to the exercise. In that question first, rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate option. First, among the historical sources, here is the dash, sources are based on the modern technology. So the option A written, option B oral, option C material and option D audio visual. And the answer is here, among the historical sources, audio visual sources are based on a modern technology. Next, second question. The is a museum in Pune which gives information about the history of Mahatma Gandhi. And the option A is a Aga Khan Palace, B Sabarmati Ashram, C Cellular Jail, and the option D is a Lakshmi Vilas Palace. So let's see the answer. The Aga Khan Palace is a museum in Pune which gives information about the history of Mahatma Gandhi. Next, third question. A unique discovery of modern technology in a 20th century is option A Povada, B photograph, C interviews and D films. And let's see the answer. A unique discovery of a modern technology in a 20th century is films. Next is the second question. Explain the following statements with reasons. So here we have to write reason. First question. During the British period, newspapers also acted as a source of a social reformation. And the answer. In the pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnanoprakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Dinabandhu, Kesari acted as an important source of awakening the minds of the people. Through the newspapers, we can study the British policies regarding India and their effects on India. Therefore, during the British period, newspapers were does not only source of political events but also acted as a source of a social reformation. So, here is the answer of this question. Next one, second question. Let's change the color. Audio visual recordings are considered as a most trustworthy source for the study of a modern Indian history. And student, see the answer. Due to the development of a technology, there was a development in the art of a photography, recordings, films, etc. These photographs, records, or films can be used as a source of a history. Photographs are visual source of a modern Indian history. Through these photographs, we get a information of the person or an event in a visual format. Recordings is a form of audio sources of history. During modern period, the speeches of the leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the form of recordings. They can be used as a source of a history. Next one is a films. So films are considered as a unique discovery of a modern technology. Audio visual recordings of a Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement and such other historical incidents are available. Through these films, the events could be seen in a reality. So, this is the answer of the question. Audiovisual recordings are considered as the most trustworthy sources of the study of a modern Indian history. Next one is a third question. Write a short notes. So this kind of question asked in exams for 2 marks, also asked for the 4 marks. Okay, so let's start the question. First one is a photographs. Okay, answer. Photographs are a visual source of a modern Indian history. With the discovery of art of a photography, photograph of various persons, events, objects, structure, places were clicked. Through these photographs, we get the information of the person or an event in a visual format. The photograph of a person gives information about physical features, dressing style, etc. Photograph of an event gives a visual image of the event, whereas photograph of an object or a structure helps in understand its nature. Next, second one, museums and a history. So here we have to write down a short note. Answer. For the study of a history, various objects, paintings, photographs, and such other things are preserved in a museum. Okay. At the Aga Khana Palace in Pune, we can see different objects, documents giving information about the life of a Mahatma Gandhi. Third one is audio sources. So this question is also important for 2 marks. Various time it is asked in a exam. Answer. The discovery of technique of recording was also as important as a photography. Recording is in the form of audio source of a history. During a modern period, The speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs are available in the form of the recordings. They can be used as a source of a history. For example, national anthem Jana Gana Mana, sung by Rabindranath Tagore himself, or the speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose can be used as an audio source for the study of a history of modern India. So next is the fourth question. Complete the following diagram. So student, if you like the video, please press the like button, and haven't you subscribed the channel, then please subscribe this channel. So this is the diagram. Here we want to complete material sources, and the answer is goods, buildings, monuments, coins, different places, sculptures, books and clothes. These are the material sources. So student, here is the end of this exercise. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you and bye bye.